Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a new website that we have created. It's called BricsCADPower.com. Now, this is an exclusive website which aims to bring the goodness of BricsCAD and CADPower together. Now, you may already be aware that CADPower is a plugin that enhances the productivity and enables automation and additional tools for a CAD user. Now, we have brought BricsCAD and CADPower together as a combo offering to you so that any BricsCAD user in India can automatically benefit from the usefulness of CADPower also. Now, to talk about the combined benefit and combined power of these two software, we have launched BricsCADPower.com, which is a site exclusively for BricsCAD users and how they can benefit from using CADPower. So all that you need to know about both BricsCAD and CADPower, including the support issues, white papers, technical support articles, everything is contained in this website called BricsCADPower.com. So visit BricsCADPower.com today and check it out for yourself. Your feedback is very important to us because this is a new website and we are always open to new ideas. So please do let us know what you like and what you don't like about this website. Thank you.